Closing market comments for Thursday, April the 15th. Markets opened about unchanged again last night, rallied across the board with corn setting new highs on both old and new crop before closing mixed on the day. Corn broke the $6 level on May futures, trading at 601.5 for a new high. December futures traded at 517, also a new high. At the close, corn was down 4 cents on old crop, up 1 cent on new. Beans were up 8 cents on old crop, up 5 cents on new. And wheat was closed up 5 cents on both old and new. Weekly export sales were released this morning with corn sales at 12.9 million bushels, down from 29.8 the previous week and 26.0 last year, with 20 to 35 expected and only 2.1 needed per week. Soybean sales were 3.3 million bushels, better than the previous week with 3.4 million bushels canceled, and near the expected of -4 to 7, with 2.3 needed per week. Wheat sales were a net cancellation of 2.1 million bushels, down from 3.0 million bushels of sales the previous week and 6.6 million last year, with 2 to 7 expected and 1.0 needed. I really expect we could see more cancellation on wheat in the coming weeks, as we are behind on shipments, and it's very likely that wheat will get canceled and rolled over to new crop. We sold 2.1 million bushels of new corn, 9.8 million bushels of new soybeans, and 10.1 million bushels of new wheat. Both the soybeans and wheat appear to be some rollovers of old to new. Disappointing sales did not help the grain markets today, so we'll see how that goes forward. Weather continues to be the big topic. Cold temperatures and dry conditions have traders wondering about planting progress. Soil temperature maps have local soil temperatures in the 40s, northern states in the 30s, and you have to get down to Tennessee before we get soil temperatures in the 50s. NOPA crush was released for March today. Crush was 178 million bushels of soybeans, less than the expected 179.2, but still the second largest March on record and the sixth largest month in history. Soybean oil stocks came in at 1.772 billion pounds, lower than the average guess of 1.822. Russia companies and Russia diplomats are going to be shipped out of the country by President Biden in a sanction deal that he has for interference in the 2020 elections and cyber attacks on federal agencies. The dollar was down 54 points, gold up $29.30, and silver up 426 points. Crude oil was lower early but rallied to close up 22 cents at 63.37, and stocks had a strong day with Dow futures up 294, Nasdaq up 211, and S&P up 43. At one time, we had the Dow trading over 34,000, Nasdaq over 14,000, and S&P over 4,000. First time ever for the Dow over 34,000. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good evening.